This is Dave at TitleRecovery.com. When you have a vehicle where the title history is not complete and you need to replace your title on the car, you may find that there is sales tax due on the vehicle, especially in a level 3 title recovery where the last title owner is either not known or that they're not available to give you a new title. In that case, there will probably be some state DMV which is going to require sales tax to be paid on the vehicle. When that's the case, the question becomes, how do they put a value on the car? There are several different methods. In most cases, the DMV or the state taxing authority will use a book value on the vehicle. As a title agent that we assist people in getting titles, what we try to do is to steer the valuation towards the low end of the book. Look, most book values will have at least 3 values: a high, a middle, and a low. And what we will normally try to do is to have the DMV or the taxing authority use the low value for taxing. So their percentage of taxes will be based on that low value. In some cases, we can make sure that we get the right model number. They're not using a higher model with more options or more equipment or bigger engines, so that way it reduces your sales tax amount. The main thing is using that low book value, not a high book value. We're going to take mileage into account. We're going to take condition into account when possible. If for some reason the book value comes out higher than the actual value of the car, we can also maybe request an inspection or an appraisal of the vehicle. There may be an expense to that for the client, but in some cases, if it's going to save a great deal of money, it might be worth doing that. But keep that in mind, that an appraisal may cost money to do, and the car has to be in working condition for that to be the case. So the main thing is work with an agent that's trying to reduce your sales tax liability. You know, the purpose of title recovery is not to eliminate sales tax. If sales tax is due, sales tax is due. It's got to be paid, because otherwise a title won't be issued or it won't be valid if taxes aren't paid. But the main thing to do is to legally, effectively reduce that sales tax to the lowest amount allowed by law, and using an experienced title agent or title assistant will help get you that sales tax at the lowest possible amount.